Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll make the stud earrings out of pearls. For that I have taken 6 mm pearl, stud and golden wire. First of all, I'll take the 4 inches golden wire and take a 2 pearls, insert it and 1 golden pearl and bend the wire from the middle and take a golden pearl at the end of the one end of the wire and insert the second end out of it, so we will get the middle one golden and then 2 pearls like this, and insert the 2 pearls again at the one end, and again we will bend the wire and insert the second end of the wire from these 2 white pearls and stretch it, so we will get the shape like this. Now again we will take a one white pearl in the one end of the wire and insert the wire in the first white pearls that we have taken very first of the process like this, and also insert the white pearl in the second end of the wire, and from these pearls and both the wire we will twist and stretch. Here twisting of the wire and stretching it is very important because it makes the earring stud very sturdy and beautiful. Here I will request all of you that if you are new to this channel, then please like, share and subscribe this channel. After cutting the extra wire with the cutter, I'll glue the earring stud with the Fevifix. You can also use the glue gun, and I'll keep the earring aside to dry it. And look, I have already made 2 earrings like this, very beautiful, very light, and it's very sturdy. Please like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Bye bye.